Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Taren here with Legit Mom Life, and today I'm sharing a makeup tutorial with a shadow palette that I've had for a while, but I really want to share it with you guys because it's such a good basic go-to palette. I feel like a lot of the colors in it are very neutral and warm, and that's usually what I tend to go towards. So I will link everything that I'm using today down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today is by Smashbox, and it's called the Minimalist Eye Palette. Now, what I really love about this one is that it's just good for everyday use. I always like to have something that I can just grab and throw on for just daily use. So I love all of the colors in it. It does have a really nice shimmery shade here, which I usually like to wear on my lid, and then a good highlight color. And then usually I like to go towards this one for my crease. But again, just good basic neutral colors that are great for everyday wear. And it's an affordable palette as well. All of the brushes that I'm going to be using today are by BK Beauty. I just purchased this new eye set, so I'll also link this down below in the description box if you're looking to check them out. They are such good, high quality brushes, so I really recommend them so you can see how they work today. All right, so I'm just going to start by clipping my hair out of the way because I just curled it and I know it's going to be getting in my face. All right, so to begin, I'm going to use my BK Beauty 201 brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade here for my crease. This one is called Cruise. And then I'm just gonna bring that straight up to my crease and work that in there. I do already have all of my face makeup on. And if you're curious, I can link everything else that I'm wearing as well. I feel like this brush does such a good job of really blending in your crease shadow. And I'm placing this just a little bit above my crease as well. Some days, whether you're even leaving the house or not, it's just nice to throw on some makeup just to make yourself feel more put together and just to really boost your mood. I always notice that the days that I don't do my hair and makeup, I just don't feel the same. My mood is definitely boosted when I get ready for the day. So I just want to encourage you, even if you're at home, to maybe just do your hair and your makeup, and it'll make you feel so much better. Of course, I don't do it daily. That's definitely not the case. I am definitely intentional in taking days where I don't do my hair or makeup and just kind of enjoy that. And I'm just working it down to the sides here and blending that down. I really love this color because it's a really good, just neutral transition shade for your crease. I always tend to go towards warmer, brown and nude tones, and so I just feel like it's really pretty just for everyday wear, and then you can also layer it on, you know, for a more dramatic look, but I think it's perfect for everyday wear. All right, so that looks good. Next I'm going to go ahead and apply on my lid, and I'm going to do this shade right here at the top, and that was called Vanilla. It's a really pretty, just shimmery light shade, and I feel like it just really makes your eyes pop. What I really love about this palette is that all of the shadows are so easy to blend. So if you're someone that has a little bit of a hard time blending, I really recommend this one. They're really easy to use, versatile colors, and I'm just bringing it up towards my crease just a little bit to make my eyes appear a little larger. And really with this brush, I just like to kind of tap it on, because with the shimmery colors, you'll find that you'll get more fallout if you're really dragging it across. So I like to just tap it on to my lid. Tapping on this side, this color is just so pretty. I really do feel like it just brightens your eye, makes you look more awake and refreshed, and just really makes your eyes pop. So honestly, if you want something super basic, I feel like this is a really pretty eyeshadow look just for a basic everyday wear. It's just those colors there alone. Then I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to use the BK Beauty 203 brush, and I'm just tapping a little bit of this shade here, and that was in Deco, and I'm just going to place that right underneath my brow. So again, I feel like these shades here alone are just great for everyday wear. If you do want something a little bit more dramatic, you can go in with some of the darker shades. And I think I'm gonna try just a little bit maybe of this darker brown. And I'm just gonna tap just a small amount of that one. And that one is in the shade Hang. And again with the 201 brush, and I'm just gonna place that right over here But again, these shadows are just so easy to blend. That's really what I love about this palette, especially as moms, if you're in a hurry in the mornings to get ready, but you still want to look put together. You want some shadows that are really easy to blend to kind of, to really get that done quicker. All right, and then now I'm gonna use the 202 brush and just blend that out a little more. All right, so that just added like a little bit of extra drama, but you could really do just the other 3 shades that I did without the darker shade on the outside. But I feel like all these colors can easily take you from day to night, and you can, you know, do more simple looks or more dramatic looks with it. So next I'm gonna go with my eyeliner, and this one is by Too Faced. This is the easiest eyeliner that I feel like I've used. I love it so much. I've talked about it in other videos as well. But if you are someone that has a hard time, you know, really with your eyeliner and you want a liquid look, this one makes it so much easier. It's got a pointed tip on it and it just really flexes with your skin. So it makes it really just glide across your lid. And for my eyeliner, I never go all the way into my inner corner. I start about right here as it's curving upward and then go out from there. All right, and so now that that is on, I'm just going to do my mascara really quick. The mascara that I really love is also by Too Faced, and it's the new Damn Girl mascara, and I just feel like it works so well. It's not clumpy, it doesn't give you like the whole spider look. It just works so well. Really lengthens and volumizes. All right, so now I have my mascara on, and now I'm just gonna finish up with my lips really quick. I do already have a lip serum on, and I'll link that down below as well. We went to the beach recently and my lips got so like sunburned and windburned, and so they're pretty dry. So I'm just gonna use this new gloss that I got at Sephora, and it's by Laura Mercier in the shade Bare Baby. It's a really pretty pinky shade and has a little bit of shimmer to it. Kind of a coral pink color. But it goes on pretty translucent, so it's good for just everyday wear as well. I love that color. It's just so simple and subtle and still neutral, but gives you just a little bit of color. So that's why I think it's great for everyday wear. All right, well, I think that completes this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this one. Again, I will link all the products that I used today down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Also, comment down below and let me know what is your go-to eyeshadow palette. I would really love to know. And I will see y'all all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.